To add a newsletter to Shopify, you need to create a newsletter and set up a subscription form on your store. First, go to the Shopify admin panel and click on the Online Store option from the navigation menu. Then click on the Preferences option from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences page, scroll down to the Newsletter section and select the Show Newsletter Sign-up checkbox. This will enable the newsletter sign-up form on your store. Next, you need to create a newsletter template. Shopify allows you to create a newsletter using its built-in email template editor. To do this, click on the Marketing option from the navigation menu. Then click on the Campaigns option from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Campaign button and select the Email Template option. Choose a template that suits your needs and customize it as per your requirements. You can add text, images, and other elements to the template to make it more engaging. Once you have created the newsletter template, you need to set up a subscription form on your store. To do this, go to the Online Store option and click on the Themes option from the drop-down menu. Click on the Actions option and select the Edit Code option. In the code editor, you need to add a snippet of code to the theme liquid file to display the newsletter sign-up form. After setting up the subscription form, you need to configure the newsletter settings. To do this, go to the Settings option from the navigation menu and click on the Notifications option from the drop-down menu. In the Notifications page, scroll down to the Newsletter section and select the frequency at which you want to send the newsletter. You can choose to send the newsletter daily, weekly, or monthly. Finally, you need to add content to your newsletter and send it to your subscribers. To do this, go to the Marketing option and click on the Campaigns option from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Campaign button and select the Email Campaign option. Choose the newsletter template you created earlier and add content to it. You can add promotions, new products, and other updates to the newsletter to keep your subscribers engaged. Once you have added content to the newsletter, click on the Send Campaign button to send it to your subscribers. Shopify will automatically send the newsletter to all the subscribers who have opted in to receive the newsletter. By following these steps, you can create a newsletter on Shopify and send it to your subscribers. Remember to keep your newsletter engaging and informative to keep your subscribers interested in your store.